Hi, this is Mark Fisher from GreenDesk. I wanted to give you a quick overview of our new SwimDesk Schools module that Aquatic Centres are using to save time and money in running their schools programs. What I'll take you through today is how we add schools, bulk upload students, build sessions and classes, and then assess students and finally run time-saving reports. So I'm going to do this by going into this ABC school. So the details have already been set up for this school. And what I'm going to do is, firstly, we would bulk upload the students into the school. And this is just a simple Excel spreadsheet, which you can see here, where we have the student's first name and the student's last name. These are the only rows, columns that need to be completed. The rest are just optional if you want to have those details in the system. So once that's uploaded, we go back and we create sessions and add students to sessions. So in here, a session's already been created. So we're going to go and assign students to one of these sessions. So the session that has been made is a grade 1 session. So I'm going to search for all the students that are actually in grade 1 and then select all and send them across. So they're now been successfully added into the grade 1 session. So from here, we're going to then put these students into classes. So I've already added certain classes, so a level 1, 2 and 3 into the system. So now we need to add the students into classes. So what we can see here is there are these 6 students in grade 1, which we added just before. So I know that Adam and Andrew are the level 1 students, so they need to go across into the level 1 class. And it's simple as that, and now we have the class made up of Adam and Andrew in the level 1 class, and you can see that there. So once the classes are made, we can then move on to the assessment and the marking attendance part of it. So firstly, we have the class list, which you see sitting here, and so you can just simply, this shows all the upcoming classes that are on for the day, and you can simply click on this green arrow and mark attendance if that's all you want to do for the classes, or we can actually go to the class and look at it in more detail. So again, once you've gone to class, you can mark attendance, and here we can actually mark assessment versus skills. Now the skills can be adjusted to be what you want them to be, whatever curriculum, and it can be as simple as 1 or 2 skills potentially, depending on how you want to assess the students. And then this is just a simple drop-down box, so competent, not competent for the different skills. Once we scroll down, we can book an assessment, or we can say the student has progressed or not progressed past the level where they're supposed to be. And if they're really in the wrong class, we can click this button, move class, and it'll allow us to move the class of that student very easily to change that class. So once the assessments have been completed, running reports is a critical part of the system. So we know that for certain states and certain programs, data needs to be provided to different authorities. So, for example, in Victoria, we know that the water safety report needs to be provided to Victoria Royal Lifesaving. And that can be a little bit challenging, gathering all of those data and collating it into the right format and then uploading it. So what we've done here is, in a click of a button, we've set up the report. So it's live and it provides the most up-to-date data of what is required in that report, which needs to be uploaded into the system. So that should save significant time on the back end in terms of reporting. We can set up different reports for the different states and the different programs depending on what is required. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you've seen something which would be useful to yourself. Please reach out to me if you have any questions. Thanks very much.